Phonics lesson 123. I guess Stewie's going to join us today for our phonics lesson. All right, today at school is a seat work day, so we're going to explain your seat work here in just a minute. But before we do that, we have one new special sound that we're going to learn today that's going to help us read our words a little bit more easily and more quickly. Thank you, Mr. Frog, for holding that. Our special sound today is SW. SW says sw, like swim. Do you hear the SW, sw, as in swim, swim? Let's look at the words on the back. Our first word is sweet, sweet. The next word is swift, swift. Down here we have sweep, sweep. Swell, swell. Swam, swam. And swish, swish. Do you hear the SW, the sw in all of those words? Let me step over Stewie here and see if I can get it a little closer to the camera. I'm going to read them again. Sweet, swift, sweep, swell, swam, swish, sw. SW says sw, as in swim. Let's look at the board. Here you go, Mr. Frog. Hold that for us so we can see our SW. Let's look at the board. Miss Ellie has 3 words up here. Let's circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. Here we go. SW says sw, one vowel E. It's a smiley because it's the short sound, so we say swell, swell. And the next word, first of all, before we go to the next word, what does swell mean? Swell. Sometimes if you get hurt, like you twist your ankle, maybe it gets bigger, it gets fatter. That means it swells, it gets bigger, bigger. All right, let's look at this next word. Circle the special sound, SW. One vowel, I, makes us smile, short sound. Swift, swift. What does it mean to be swift? Fast. If you're swift, you're fast. All right, and the last one, I bet you're ahead of me already. We're going to circle SW, 2 vowels. The first E says its name, or the long sound says E. The second one is silent. We don't hear it. So we say sweep, sweep, sweep. Hopefully some of you are at home, and when you're at home, you help Mom sweep the floor. All right, those are our special sound words for today. Let's look at your seat work for today. Mom needs to have gotten out your letter and sounds workbook page for lesson 123. It looks like this. It is page 143 and 144. All right, here's your seat work, guys. Put your name at the top. You know what to do in the rectangle. You are going to mark the vowels and read the words. All right, mark the vowels, read the words. Down here, look at all these pictures. You've got milk, a stamp, and some grass. Now, you need to fill in the bubble under the word that makes the sentence correct. And then, when you get the answer, you're going to match it to the answer to the picture. Let's do the first one, and you'll see what I mean. All right, you've got 2 words. Remember, Miss Ellie says read the words first. You've got grapes and grass. Now, let's go up and read the sentence and see which one makes sense. Max cut the. Well, look at your pictures here. Max cut the grapes or Max cut the grass? He cut the grass. So fill in the bubble under the word grass. If you would like to, you can also write the word grass in the blank. Then, since that's grass, you're going to draw a line to match this sentence to the picture of the grass. Do you understand exactly how to do that? Okay. Ask Mom if you forget and you need some extra help. On the back, turn it over, and you're going to circle the letter that completes the word. This is the missing letter game, all right? Notice on this picture, the red arrow is pointing to the heel of the shoe. So you're looking for the word heel. Now, when you do this, notice if it has 1 or 2 vowels. If it already has a vowel in the word, you're looking for the vowel that says the long sound or its name. If it only has 1 vowel, then you're looking for the short sound, all right? Down here, look at the pictures. Then up here you have words. Match the word to the right picture. These words tell you which picture it is, okay? So draw a line to match the word to the picture. All right, that should not be too hard for you. All right, our writing page. Moms, get out Writing Phonics, page 149. This is for lesson 143. All right, y'all know how to do these. Write capital F and little f. Put your name at the top. Read the sentence. Trace the sentence. Write the sentence on line number 3 using a new red dot for each new word. Same thing here, okay? Read it, trace it, write it on house number 5. Turn the page over. We're going to do both sides today. All right? Same thing here. Read the sentence. Don't forget your periods at the end of your sentence. And then trace the sentence and write the sentence in house number 2. Read the sentence in house number 3. In this case, it's a question. So trace the question and then write the question down here in house number 4. Don't forget the question mark. All right? That's our phonics and writing lesson for 123.